Hi, Charles Moman here. Just a short little update / episode. Just want to tell you about something I just did. I installed like 60 or 70 what are called rib nuts or plus nuts, and I'll explain to you just how I did it. Thanks for watching. Well, all around the Ford Transit are these holes. They're all over the place, horizontally, vertically. You find them up and down here and there. There are some holes that are pre-threaded, but right here is a new mounting point that I just installed. And I'll put one in here and show you. And what it is, these are called, they have different names, plus nut, rib nut. This one's called a plus nut, and I'll show you a close-up. But what it is, it's threaded inside here, and I want to mount it in there, and it's called pre-bulbed. And what happens is when you tighten this against the metal here, and you've got a nut holding it, it starts to bend this, and it splits, and it holds tight against the metal on the inside. And I'll show you a picture, it'll make more sense, but you can use a rib nut tool like this, and this works well with some of the short ones I've got, but these longer plus nuts, I need a longer one of, I think mandrel, I forget what this is called, but I need a longer one of these. But I'm just going to go ahead and do a method that I saw on YouTube, and what it was, it's just a 1/4 inch bolt, 2 washers, and a nut that's one size too big. And I want it, as this is drilling in here, driving in the plus nut, I'll be holding on to that with a wrench. So I'm going to thread this on. I'll take a rubber mallet. Sometimes it's 2 hits, sometimes it's 6, I don't know. So I'm going to drive it in here. There we go. It's in, but it's loose. So now what I'm going to do is I take a wrench, I hold it on, and I'm going to drive it. And so as I'm driving it, I'm holding on to this nut, and it will, as it gets tighter and tighter, it's splitting the metal inside and making it hold on to the metal skin. And so most of these you can reach in, and I can feel it's just about the way I want it. I'm going to tighten it just a teeny bit more. Now when I'm reaching in, I can feel 4 pieces of metal right there that have split apart, and it's holding this tight. So now I reverse, put the wrench back on, and now I can just take it off, and I'm ready to do the next one. So, impact driver and a wrench. And what I found another great idea. So now I've got a mounting point. So I can mount these all over the place. I have a bag of 100. I'm not going to put all 100 on, but a lot of the places where I know I'm going to be putting wood, I'm going to have these points ready. But what if what if I'm going to put them on there? I'm going to have to measure carefully to know where they are? No. I found someone else had a great idea. These are called hanger bolts, and 1/4 20. You fit it in there, and then I bought like I think a dozen of these. So if I have a piece of wood that's going to go across here, a strut, and I want to know where to pre-drill. This will tell me, because I can put these hanger bolts in these mounting points that I've created. Take the wood, make sure it's all level. Probably be really good if I had a helper at that point. Get it all level and just bang it with a hammer, just to make indentations in the wood, so I'll know exactly where those holes are going to be, and so that I can pre-drill it, and I'm good to go. So plus nuts, hanger bolts. You can use 2 wrenches, a wrench with an impact driver, or the rib nut tool, plus nut tool. Lots of ways of doing it, and it works great, and no reason not to take advantage of these holes that are already there instead of drilling new ones, which you can do. But if they're already there, I'll just use, instead of making fresh ones, I'll have ones that are already there. There we go. I didn't know anything about this. YouTube's great. So that's how you use these built-in holes in your Ford Transit as mounting points. So I've mounted them all over the place, and I still have maybe 20 or so left over that I might need, but I put them in all the places where I think I just might need a mounting point. That's how it works. Easy to do. Thanks for watching.